Welcome. So today I am with AirPods Pro and the iPhone, and I'm going to show you how to check the AirTip fit test function. So let's connect our AirPods to iPhone. Okay, and right now move to the settings, click on the Bluetooth, click on this icon information, and here we are with AirTip fit test. So let's click on it, and as you can see, that test is the acoustic performance. AirPods ear tips should create a complete seal when placed in your ears. So put the right to your right ear and the left to your left ear. And right now you have to click on the continue, click play. And right now I hear the music. And as you can see, that ear tips you are using are a good fit for both ears. So now click done, and yeah, this is how this function works on the AirPods Pro. Thank you for watching. Leave thumbs ups, subscribe to our channel, and leave comments if you have any questions or if you enjoyed this video. See ya!